Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway Steel Pro MAX 16 by 4 foot pool set with filter pump and more. The Bestway Steel Pro MAX above ground round pool set comes with everything necessary to enjoy swimming all summer long. This pool comes with an accessory kit that includes everything necessary to maintain your pool a filter pump with an extra cartridge, step ladder, and pool cover. When the hot season is done and it's time to put the pool away, the Bestway Steel Pro MAX above ground pool sports a built-in flow control valve that attaches directly to a garden hose for easy drainage. Product benefits: no tools are needed for this easy-to-set-up pool. Corrosion-resistant steel comprises the frame. The material consists of DuraPlus 3-ply reinforced PVC, rendering the pool puncture-resistant. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.